Hello everyone, today we're going to learn how to divide the circle into 4 equal parts. Let's start with our circle. I'm using a 5 centimeters radius here, but you can use any radius you like. And then I'm gonna draw a horizontal line. You can eyeball it, you can measure the distance, whatever you prefer. And then using the same initial radius, I'm gonna draw two semicircles, one on the right and one on the left. Now I'm gonna point my compass on those new intersections and make a mark, two marks on top and two below. Those marks intersect, which is great because we need those intersection. We're gonna line the ruler to those intersection and also make sure to pass through the center. This is crucial. Once everything is aligned, then you can draw your vertical line. And here you are, your fourfold division. Make sure to subscribe for more content like this. Bye!